Hi. I just had a meeting with Buddy's accountant going over his liquid assets. And Milt told me that Buddy Winkler Realty is generating good cash flow. And so is Buddy's chain of adult motels and his religious radio station in Shreveport. But that Buddy Winkler Productions itself is a real turkey. So he thinks I ought to sell it.
Oh, sell it?
Mrs. Winkler, you can't sell Buddy Winkler Productions.
But I have to. It's a real turkey.
What I mean is, Buddy Winkler Productions isn't just this building or a name. It's people. It's Brooks Carmichael, a legend. 40 years in the cartoon business, who even in his grief at your late husband's passing sits hunched over his drawing table. Stopping only for an occasional cat nap.
Aggie, it's the network. I'll take it in my office.
It's Marty Fenneman. Probably one of the great wits in America today.
Did you hear the one about the nun, the rabbi, and the kangaroo?
Did you write that?
About our little misunderstanding this afternoon, I wasn't myself. It's been such a strain trying to hold things together these last few months. Buddy, rest his soul, became completely senile. His poor old brain went to cottage cheese toward the end. I begged him to let me make some changes in the Dippy Duck show to take advantage of the new technology to make it cheaper. Yes, that's right, cheaper.
Of course, there's Buddy's own inimitable spirit, which will never die, as long as there are friends like these to cherish him in loving memory.
Oh, I don't know what I could have been thinking about, but I don't know how to run a cartoon studio.
And that's why we're here, right, gang?
I'll follow you anywhere, Mrs. Winkler. What about the rest of you guys?
And there's this fabulous animator that every studio in town has been bidding for. And I thought, well, what the heck? Price is no object. And he's decided to accept our offer. Oh, and he has the most wonderful ideas for breathing new life into the show. So, what I'm asking is that you don't cancel the show until he's had a chance to show you some of his marvelous proposals. 48 hours? And they say networks are cold and harsh. See you then.
I decided not to sell the studio. Wise choice.
Who's that guy you're talking about?
Yeah, he sounds great.
You better be.
Who is he?
You.
Me.
If you can't pull it off, I'll see to it you never work in this town again. You'll never work anywhere again.
Certainly sounds fair.
At KCRA, we take you there, to the action, to the conflict. We take you where the news is happening. We find out first so you can find out first. And we take you there live. News leadership is more than a spirit. It's a way of life at KCRA TV, where the news comes first.
Where's the cat?